Good evening, cricket fans around the world. Here comes the toss. With the toss decided, the stage is set. With clear skies above and the pitch looking absolutely perfect, we are in for some sensational cricket today.
Oh, what a shot! 6!
On a roll!
Nothing wrong with the delivery. Superb shot. Nicely played. That's high in the air. Smashed that a long way. Great shot. Just called wide there. That's a perfect example of how to play that shot. That goes sailing into the crowd. Nice shot. Nicely played. That's gone high in the air. Off the bat and over the rope. Oh, picks that one nicely. Good shot. Elegant on drive. Races past for 4. Smash that to the boundary. Nice ball. The scoreboard is ticking rapidly after that over, thanks to some brilliant batting. High in the air, big shot. Good running, got back for 2. Reacted well there. Good catch.
Great catch.
The fielding team celebrates as the batsman trudges back to the pavilion. A big breakthrough for them. Huge appeal for LBW. The captain trusts his bowler's judgment and signals for the review.
Pitching outside leg.
The review confirms it. No overturning this one. Superb shot.
He's on a roll.
That's a great stroke. That's the end of the over. Time for a change of ends. Magnificent straight drive, right back past the bowler. Doesn't matter where you put the field, as if you can get it over their heads. That's a superb shot. Reacted well there. Good catch.
Great catch.
The batsman's innings comes to an end. He'll be disappointed with that dismissal. Right off the middle. Final over in this innings. We are likely to see some big shots now.
Come on, fans. Let's make some noise and show these players they've got the best support here today.
Powerful shot. He certainly got hold of that one. Keeps the score ticking over with that shot. Oh, superb timing.
Boom.
Will the umpire give out?
The bowler is backing himself to get the decision overturned.
Pitching outside leg.
The on-field umpire got it spot on.
Tremendous shot. That's 6. Oh, great shot. A tough over for the bowler. Plenty of runs coming from it. A huge total chase here.